Hey there, I'm reviewing this magnesium which has become a part of my nighttime routine. The soothing lavender scent is relaxing, making it perfect for winding down before bed. I've been applying it to my legs and arms, and I've noticed a significant improvement in muscle relaxation and overall sleep quality. It's also great for easing tension or minor cramps, especially after a long day or workout. The lotion absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which is a big plus. It provides a nice hydrating feel, leaving the skin soft. I love that it's made in the USA and safe for kids too, making it a great option for the whole family. For anyone looking for a natural way to help relax muscles and promote better sleep, this magnesium lotion is a fantastic choice. Highly recommend it for anyone struggling with restlessness or muscle discomfort at bedtime.